Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. And let's go Villanova. They're going to win tonight. Remember that there is part of life for which you are the explanation. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 55, NASDAQ off 22, S&P's down 6.5. All with light volume, folks. Pulling back light volume, this market still wants higher price. Gold contract down $6.60, traded at $1,216 an ounce. Silver down 11 cents, $14.93. Platinum off $15 at $941 an ounce. Copper down 2 pennies at $2.14 a pound. Light sweet crude off $1.08, $35.70 a barrel. Bonds, we have the 10-year note up 8 ticks, 130.18. 30-year bond up 19.6, 164.31. Both on light volume. King dollar down 43 ticks at 94.57. King dollar's on an ABC structure on the way down. I expect we're going to work our way down to this 92.50 to 92.30 area. Right now it's trading at 94.57. Euro flat at 113, and the yen trading at 111.32. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. This is what you have. You get a sideways move out here today. You get light volume. That's after last Friday. The market rejecting lower price. Goes topside. The SPY goes from 203 to 207. We did 114 million shares last Friday rather. Today you go sideways at 60 million. That's a market that wants higher price. We're at 206.25. I suspect we're going to get into this 211 area inside the SPY. Inside the NDX 100, if we use the 3 Qs, what you're going to see inside the 3 Qs is this. 3 Qs are down 42 cents right now. You've done 16 million shares. We go topside Friday with 26 million. You're at 109.94. The ABC structure up on this is 111. 111.84 will close the gap that was left over from the downdraft that was from December to January. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold also wants higher price. What gold had done Friday, rejected lower price, had lighter volume, didn't break a swing. Bottom line right now, we're at 12.17. Today what we did, you did 85,000 contracts. That's a sideways move. Has light volume. Bottom line, gold contract has been building cause since it broke topside on the 11th of February. I expect we're going to make a run now up into that 1287.80 area. That's on the short term. On the longer term, gold wants to run to the 1394 to 1434 area. The XAU, HUI, both of them rejected lower price last week, had lighter volume, went topside once again on Friday. XAU's at 67.63. That wants to make a run for the top of the consolidation it's now in, which would be the 73.81 area. We go to the Gold Bugs Index. Gold Bugs Index is trading at 174.58. The top of this consolidation is up there at 189.13. I do expect we're going to see that run being made. More than likely, we're going to see it this week. Why? Because it's all about that King dollar. King dollar wants a dramatically lower price, folks. Let's go to the oil contract. So oil gave it up today. We had contract value of 514,000 contracts. We're down $1.13. You're trading out at $35.66. This baby probably more than likely is going to get down to 35.37. In fact, it can actually get into this can get into 33.93. You know, so you had some juice on the way down today. You know, if we do look at the USO, what you're going to see, that's the ETF structure inside it. That pulled back with 37 million shares. The difference is now, of course, you're coming You're at 908. You're still coming into 58 million. So in the futures contract, as well as the ETF structures, you're pulling back with lighter volume, but it does look like you can continue to get to slightly lighter price. The bonds, if we go to the 10-year note first, what you're going to see inside the notes is this. The notes today closed at 130.18, and all it's had to do is close over the 130.16. Has really light volume, but what that's saying is that more than likely it's going to test the high of its downdraft. The downdraft we're talking about was March 1st. March 1st, the notes went from 130.27 to 129.18. That's a point and a half, folks, for a 10-year, which is huge. You know, we're doing dramatically lighter volume, but we did close over that Friday high. That's saying, guess what? You can get to the very top of that downdraft. We go up and we take a look at the 30-year. We have with the 30-year, same type of setup. Right now, the 30-year is at 165. The top of that setup is 165.10. We made it to 165.06 today. I do expect we're going to see it get up into that area. Now, let's go over to good old King Dollar, because what we have with King Dollar is this. King Dollar is in a confirmed ABC structure on the way down. We are at 94.56. We broke a B point. You broke it with volume. The price projection of this ABC structure on the way down is $92.30. What we also have here, when you take a look at the King Dollar, and we go back to the downdraft of August 24th, what you're going to see, we have a high volume spike at 92.52. That baby's going to, I suspect, number one, go after that area, and we'll see whether that area holds. Now, with King Dollar, folks, okay, if that area doesn't hold, man, oh man, King Dollar can be down very, very quickly. The reason being is that King Dollar went up so fast from July of 2014. July 2014, the beginning of July, we were trading out at 80 on the King Dollar. It was a non-stop move that went up to 100. That's an incredible move. That's a 25% move, right? So it doesn't mean that it will go down to where it started in July. The reason I would say it wouldn't do that is that because what would stop it is from years ago, meaning in 2009, we traded at the 88 level for about 5 months. So what I do expect is that as you get to that 92.50 area, if it does break down, then you're going to be to 88. You'll be to 88 very quickly. If that's what we have happening, you're going to see these commodities go topside very, very quickly. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Dow finished down 55. NASDAQ off 22. S&P's down 7.5. We're going to be right back.